So are you thinking about getting into the short-term rental business? Well, you are in the right place because I have created a course, Purchase to Profit, and it shows you every step along the way from organizing your business structure to how to advertise it, legal concerns, and how to set it up and fit it out, how to select the right property, where the best opportunities are here in the Villages, Florida, how you are able to purchase and begin a thriving short-term rental business here. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I've used my experience from working with hundreds of buyers looking to purchase rental properties, as well as purchasing my own and setting it up and turning a profit the first year. So in this course, you have 5 modules. It's about 5 hours of video instruction that you follow along. There is a companion workbook, as well as over 300 editable documents for you to use in your short-term rental business. I have cancellation policies, welcome book, how to set that up, Instagram posts, postcards, everything that you need in a complete package to become successful in the short-term rental business. The entire Purchase to Profit course with 5 modules, your companion workbook, and the editable documents is $497 investment into your rental business future. But if you're not sure and you want to give it a try, I do have a special. For $97, you can purchase the first module, which is all about the business setup and a lot of great information about rental rates and property selections. And at the end, if you decide you want to take part in the full course, you can upgrade it, and we will give you a $97 credit towards your full course purchase. So be sure to check it out. I'm going to show you here. The link is on my website, robyncavallaro.com. You can go through and select the course that you want to take and pay for it online with your credit card. All right, let's get to my website here, robyncavallaro.com. You have to scroll down to the middle of the page, and that's where you'll find information about the Purchase to Profit course. Learn more. Select that button and it'll take you through where you can purchase the full course, all 5 modules. There is a welcome message from me, all the takeaways from the full course that you would get, and the 5 modules that are included in the full masterclass, plus the workbook and editable documents. That's $497. Again, we tell you who this course is for and all the bonus gifts in the full master class. But if you're not sure, you can sign up to take Module 1. There are 3 lessons in Module 1. It's $97. When you finish that, if you want to upgrade to take the full course, we will give you the $97 credit. So it's like trying it out for free. There are 3 lessons. You will get a workbook for that, but the editable documents are not available. Those bonuses are only available when you purchase the full masterclass for $497. All digital documents are non-refundable. Once you purchase it, it's yours. And if you have any questions, please call me, text me, email me. I'll be happy to help you get that all set up. And also, as a bonus, you can purchase coaching sessions with me that you should use 90 days after you finish the course, so everything is fresh in your mind and we can get you started to your short-term rental business success. And also, don't forget, if you need to find a home, I could be a realtor as well and help you find that perfect property. All right, thank you very much. And I hope to see you in the course.